Welcome to this ASB Bank New Zealand review. Let's explore its features, usability, and what it offers. Find links to products and services in the description below. ASB is one of New Zealand's largest and most established banks, serving personal and business customers. Whether you need a savings account, a mortgage, or a business banking platform, ASB likely has you covered. The bank offers competitive savings rates, flexible lending, and a user-friendly online platform for managing your finances anywhere. ASB's highly rated mobile app makes managing accounts, transferring funds, and tracking spending easy. It's perfect for those who prefer digital banking. The robust online banking system supports bill payments, loan applications, and real-time account monitoring. ASB is ideal for those who value accessibility, reliability, and innovation. It's also a strong choice for small business owners, offering tailored tools and services like business loans and merchant services. ASB's customer service is excellent, with online and in-branch support from knowledgeable professionals. ASB also prioritizes security, protecting your data and transactions. Overall, ASB Bank is a solid choice for reliable banking in New Zealand. Its user-friendly tools, great customer support, and tailored products make it a top contender. Check the description for links to get started.